Module repair tutorial. Start by scraping off the waterproof glue to ensure the connection points of the LED bulbs are clearly visible. You will need a soldering iron, tin wire, and copper wire. Before connecting the copper wire, apply some tin to it. Applying tin to the copper wire increases the stability of the connection, ensuring its durability. Gently pull on the secured copper wire. If the connection remains intact, then it is successfully connected. Apply tin to the bulb at the Next, apply tin to the LED bulbs at the other end that needs to be connected. Then, bring the copper wire closed and heat it with the soldering iron. Once it's securely fixed, gently shake it to disconnect any excess copper wire. Finally, heat the connection points of the copper wire at both ends with the soldering iron to ensure a strong connection. After completion, connect the power supply for testing to ensure everything is functioning properly.